Friends, Instagram Reels has been the talk of the town after the famous TikTok ban, as there are hundreds of creators creating amazing Reels that even Instagram has completely transformed the platform as well. Today in this video, we will see how can you share a Reel with your non-Instagram friends as a WhatsApp status. There are some ways to share an Instagram Reel on WhatsApp so that you can share the message, trick, hack or anything, and your WhatsApp friends can also enjoy them. Let's have a look how you can do it. Share Reel video to WhatsApp status without the link. Want to share an Instagram Reel video to your WhatsApp status? Is sharing it as a video clip. If the Reel video is some of other account, then you need to save the Reel video with audio. However, if it's your own Reel, then the process is little easier. Here's how you can do it. Open Instagram on your phone. Click on your profile on this page. Here you can see all your Reels and play the Reel you want to share to WhatsApp. Click on the three dots at bottom right corner and then click on Save to your device. Now open WhatsApp on your phone, switch to Status tab. Tap on camera icon and select the Reel video clip to post as WhatsApp status. Share full Reel video of others on WhatsApp status without the link. Another handy way to share someone's Instagram Reel without using any third-party tool, yet saving the full Reel video is to record it. Here's how you can do it. Open Instagram on your phone and play the Reel you want to share to WhatsApp. Access quick settings toggle on your phone and start screen record the Reel video. Now you can share the full Reel to your WhatsApp status. So this is how you can share an Instagram Reel to your WhatsApp status, so that your WhatsApp friends can also enjoy the goodness of Reels. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. You can also check out more Reels, tips and tricks videos. Link is given in the description box below. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care. Stay happy.